Hi there, so let's talk about identifying and connecting to a data source. With Power BI Desktop, you can connect to data from many different data sources. For a full list of available data sources, we can go to Get Data and check out the full list of the data sources. We have got Excel workbook, Power BI datasets, data flows, SQL Server, Dataverse, and if I go to More, you find a complete exhaustive list of the data sources. Here I've got all the categories, selecting file as a data source, selecting database, using a Power Platform, having Azure as a data source, different online services like SharePoint Online, Microsoft Exchange, Salesforce, Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, and a lot of other data sources like SharePoint List, OData Feed, Active Directory, Spark, RScript, ODBC, and a lot more. You can select one of the data source. Let's say if I go to File and select Excel Workbook, I can simply click on Connect, have a source to my data file, select a file, and that's where I've got my file loaded. I can either transform the data or I can load this file. You simply click on Load and load the file. And that's how my file has been opened. I can go to the data model. I can see the different fields listed over here. I can also go to the data visualization, which is more of a modeling. So that's about how you can identify and connect to different data sources.